Among other issues brought before the House by the clerk at resumption of Tuesday's plenary were letters issued by political parties to the 8th Assembly.
The first letter read to the House was that of the People's Democratic Party, signed by the chairman Tony Azengbemi, listing the party's choice of majority leader, deputy and chief whip. However, member representing Ovia North East Constituency 1, Charity Ighodala Agwobawiya, was picked as the majority leader, while member representing Akoko Edo Constituency 1, Ikini Idiaye, chief whip, and member representing Ego Constituency, Natasha Irobusa Osawau, as deputy majority leader.
Letter is from the People's Democratic Party, of Edo State Secretariat. Mr. Speaker, I found the list of the other principal officers of the Edo State House of Assembly.
In addition to principal officers, the Speaker, Edo State House of Assembly, Blessing Agwebaku, announced names of member representing Igwebe, Inegbebo Oje, and member representing Esan Southeast, Sunday Ojezele, as co-opted members of the Principal Officers Council. The Speaker then rescheduled the meeting of the letter from the APC and Labour Party for a later date.
I also have letters from the APC office signed by the chairman of the party state. And we also having one from the Labour Party, also signed by the state chairman too. And I don't think these letters will be read now because of some controversies. So we have to step this down for later dates.
Also at plenary, a bill for a law to enact the Edo State College of Health, Science, Technology was given its first reading. Plenary was then adjourned to Monday the 10th of July 2023. FAVOUR, OSARO, ITV News.